cozy home time makes you miss those nutritious, heartwarming veggie meals? Step into the kitchen and upgrade your vegetable preparation with the Boxgear stainless steel dual blade peeler. Our superiorly sharp peeler easily glides through all kinds of skin, fuzzy, hard, or smooth. You name it. And it's universal. The two high-grade blades evenly shred, peel, and slice. The practical dig-a-hole design allows you to comfortably remove any imperfections of the flavorful greens. Left or right-handed? Don't worry, the ergonomic handle perfectly fits both. Light food-grade steel is easy to clean and is dishwasher safe, making your cooking experience hassle-free. And thanks to the tail hook design, the Boxgear peeler won't clutter your drawer. Prepping up homey vegetables or fruity goodness has never been so easy. Explore the endless possibilities with the stainless steel dual blade peeler from Boxgear.
Slice your next delicious pizza like a pro. It's easy with the amazing Luffel Premium Pizza Cutter Wheel. The razor-sharp blade is made from high-quality stainless steel. No more making a gooey mess. The wheel glides cleanly through thick and thin crust pizza and leaves all your toppings in place. Enjoy a perfect slice every time. When you're done, just snap open the ergonomic handle for easy cleanup. Dishwasher safe. But hold on, this Stay Sharp rust-resistant blade is perfect for more than pizza. Handy for safely and quickly cutting vegetables, dough, and more. Grab yours today and cut your next pizza hassle-free.
You